wonderful world of birds. Here are the bird parks. There's so much to see.
11 o'clock.
Be sure to catch
What,
the
11?
11 o'clock we come here with
chat
the show.
sessions
Okay.
to learn more about our feathered jewels.
I hope the rain will stop already,
I
though.
also hope the rain will stop.
The Pool's Amphitheater to your right features the High Flyers Show at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. You are certain to be awed by an exhilarating lineup of bird stars and free flying performances.
Mommy, they want cannot go you. They want can. I told you can. I told you can go you.
Coming up on your left are the bright
Oh, bird, you see the
They
bird?
are fed a special
Yeah,
diet
the orange color bird.
To your right is Zephyr, home to the black-faced squirrel and other birds dependent on some of the world's most rapidly disappearing habitats. Spend some quiet time bird watching from the viewing gallery.
Yeah.
Simulate an
You know what the
observation
beetle
hike.
chase? You know what the beetle chase?
Ramble, Royal Ramble.
To your right is Royal Ramble, home of crown pigeons, the world's largest.
We are going to find the world, right?
They are native to Papua New Guinea and Irian Jaya. To your left are the hornbills and toucans.
Toucans.
Birds have impressive, oversized.
It's a leaf lah.
But I don't like.
Do you see any?
Yeah, I saw one.
A close encounter with the hornbill during Keeper's Chit Chat at 11:45 a.m. daily.
Window on Paradise.
We don't go.
Windows
don't-
on
Paradise.
To your right is home to some of the most beautiful birds on earth. The birds of paradise are known for their courtship displays, which includes dances and calls. We are about to make our first stop at Tram Station 2.
We finish one round first.
Okay.
Welcome to Station 2, where lines are ready for the African tree-tops on the Philippine Seagull in straight ahead. Continue.
Welcome back on board. We're now heading to Parrot Paradise, where you will meet some of the world's rarest parrots, such as the hyacinth macaw from Brazil and the blue-throated macaw from Bolivia. From our side of the globe, there are the red-tailed black and feather-throated cockatoos. Learn about these fragrant species and how we are helping to save parrots in the region. Did you know parrots are highly intelligent and can read sounds? Catch them in action at the High Flyers Show at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. at Pool Amphitheater.
Welcome to Station 5, you may align your left to see our place of house at Parrot Paradise. Thank
Okay,
you.
this one last station. After we will go back to station 1. Then we go and look for the show.
Welcome back, friends. Returning to Station 1, for safety remain seated on time.
Welcome back on our tram ride. We are now heading back to tram station
See,
1.
mommy. Why?
Look to your right.
Nice.
These
Look there.
birds with huge beaks are pelicans. They
Pelicans.
use their large pouches to scoop fish and empty the water before swallowing their catch. Watch them in action during keepers chit-chat at 2 p.m.
Waterfall.
Sit down.
Can you guess which bird has won the title for being the supermodel of the bird world? That's right, it is the flamingo. The flamingo lake is home to nearly 200 greater flamingos. In the wild,
Oh, you see the
flamingos
flamingo.
live
So
in
many.
large flocks of up to 10,000.
Oh.
The lodge overlooking Flamingo Lake can be booked for seminars, parties, and team building events.
There, umbrella.
Now get ready for big splashes of fun at Birds of Play on your left, where kids can spread their wings and play to their heart's content.
Yeah, mommy.
Close.
Coming up on your left is Hawk Arena, where you can watch the Kings of the Sky show at 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. daily. Find out what goes into caring for eggs and chicks at the Breeding and Research Center. Each year, our bird nannies
Another
raise more
one?
than 1,000
Yep,
chicks,
another one.
including the critically endangered bud miner and the reported before.